Hello all, welcome to Ferdinand tutorials. Now, as a biochemistry student, there is more to just coming to class alone. There is more to just studying alone. There is more to staying in the laboratory to do your practicals alone. There is many things to do in this course that is not expected for you to be alone. You need people around you. You need friends. You need colleagues to help you around. You need them to show you things around, to make you feel belonged in this course. This is not just a course whereby you come and go. This is a course whereby if you don't know, your friends teach you. This is a course whereby if you don't know, you see people that will direct you to get the right information. So in this video, I want to talk about how to make good friends as a biochemistry student. Few things in life are more important than supportive close friends. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "Many people will walk in and out of your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart." Looking back at the friends that have come and those that have gone in your life, you can probably appreciate how true this statement is. To learn some of the best ways to create lasting friendships, which will help you attain the best fit in biochemistry as a course, we spoke to some of our elders around us, some of our professors, some of our lecturers, and some of our family members who are well educated. Now, what did they do? They gave us 10 guidelines for making a good biochemistry friends. 10 guidelines, what you should do to make the best friends in biochemistry. First of all is take initiative. If you find people whom you love and they fit into your desired friends, you don't need to wait for anyone to reach out to and take the first step. Instead, become a kind initiator, even if you're an introvert. Now, Amber O'Brien, a therapist at Mango Clinic, that's what they explain. Start talking to a friend and share something about yourself. Likewise, let them share about themselves too. Don't just be the only one talking. There's no need to be so personal at the very first interaction, but exchange a few words or stories that can break the ice. Now, the second guideline is you join a club or an organization. Get involved in an activity that matters to you, where you are likely to meet others with similar values and interests, says Susanna Guarino. This activity, some of the activities or club or organization that you can join is reading club, church fellowship, night class study groups, and other groups or organizations that might interest you, where you think you can find people of similar goals or objectives. The third guideline is don't look for similarities. If you don't share a similar vision and hobbies with someone, it doesn't mean you can't develop a friendship. Now, a true friend is like a deep ocean who observes all the flaws of another person, says O'Brien. Therefore, don't judge someone if he or she belongs to a different mindset. You never can tell. Him or she might be the one that will be your best friend in life. So don't judge someone if he or she belongs to a different mindset. The fourth guideline is increase your self-confidence. When you are confident in yourself and like yourself, it makes it easier for others to see those qualities in you as well, says Dr. Miller. The goal should not be to only create friendship, but to maintain friendships. The fifth guideline, don't set your expectations too high or expect too much from one person. While creating friendships, we often advise having multiple friends for a variety of reasons, says Dr. Miller. One of the major reasons is to avoid dependent relationship and those that may develop from trauma bonding. That is, be realistic with your expectation. Be realistic with your expectation. The sixth guideline is do a favor for someone. Research has affirmed the positive outcome of doing a favor to someone. It helps in developing intimacy and good vibes between the two people. You don't have to make a great favor to someone for making a new friend. The seventh guideline, be consistent. As a student of biochemistry, in all you do, you have to be consistent. Take your studies too seriously. Maintain consistency in reading. Attend classes. Do your assignments and other academic works. Don't do today and you not do tomorrow. Don't attend class today and you not attend tomorrow. Don't be this person today and you be that person tomorrow. Be consistent in all you do. The next guideline, that is the eighth guideline there, is what? Be curious. Ask open-ended questions like, Why don't you like this biology lecturer? Why don't you perform well academically? Why do you take attending class and reading so seriously? Yeah. Why are you so interested in this lecturer? When you are interested in other people, they will often return the favor, and as well, friendship can be what? Born. The 9th step there, review your flaws occasionally. No one person is perfect. As a biochemistry student, there are some areas of your life that is faulty. Don't hide them. Revealing it makes you more relatable and shows a sense of vulnerability toward the people around you. No one is perfect. Review your flaws occasionally. The 10th step there is be a good student teacher. Of course, this is my story. Yeah, this is my story. When you teach your fellow students, especially courses that they find difficult, and make them understand better than when the lecturer taught it, it makes you more relatable and you'll be loved by many, not just one, by many. Of course, you don't teach what you don't know. Thus, it comes from consistent studying and reading your books. Are you getting it? It comes from what? Consistent studying and reading your books. So when you maintain these 10 guidelines, right from the first one we say to this last one, you see that you can make the best friends you have ever imagined to make. So this is all that we can give you in this tutorial. Please subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. We've been releasing good contents in this channel. Please support us, share to your friends, tell them to like this video, and also subscribe. We really need this subscription to grow. Thank you all. See you next Thursday.